The next thing I wanted to discuss is the Avada sliding bar, and you will see that in the option, and I wanted you guys to be familiar with it when we get to that stage. So what exactly is the sliding bar? If you look at the information technology demo that comes with the Avada, or even the classic import has it, so you will see this little plus sign or a triangle over here that you can click to expand, and when you click on it, a slider bar comes out from the right hand side with a bunch of information and widgets in it. So that's the sliding bar. It can be displayed from the top, right, bottom, or left hand side of the viewport. So it's a pretty cool area, and you can put, basically it's a sidebar like widgetized area where you can put any widgets or style them in any way you want. So that's pretty cool, and let's go ahead. Quick pause. I hope you're enjoying my videos about professional web design using the Avada theme. Actually, these videos are a part of a very detailed video course that I created for Udemy. So if you would like to explore these topics in more detail and ask questions, check out my course on Udemy. The link with the discount coupon is in the description of the video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that because a lot more content is coming your way. Let's get back to the video. Head and configure a sliding bar for our website now. So to configure it, what we need to do is to go to the dashboard and go to the slider bar options. So we'll go to Avada theme options. And there we see the sliding bar option. So we'll click on the sliding bar options. And right now, as you can see that it's turned off. Well, when we turn it on, we'll see that a bunch of more options showing up. So whether we want to show the sliding bar on mobile or not, by default it's off. Bar panel on page load, sliding bar position, you can do top, right. So I will just select right. And sliding bar width, 300 pixels is good. We want to display two columns or three columns or however you want. Sidebar, sliding bar column alignment allows you for sliding bar columns to be stacked on one of the above when using left or right position. So you don't want to take a lot of width here, so they are saying we'll just stack them on top of each other. So might as well go with a single column then, but you get the idea. So you can play around with this and see how that it works. For the sliding bar toggle style, you can use a triangle, which will show a triangle from the top area that you can click on to expand and show the sliding bar. You can also use a rectangle, a circle, or a main menu icon. So you can, maybe we'll try something. We'll go with a rectangle and see how a rectangle works. So sliding bar background is black, and sliding bar item divider, we'll just leave everything default, but if you'd like to play with it, go ahead. And once we do that, then we can go to the widgetized area. So we'll go to appearance and widgets. And then now we see that the sliding bar widget 1 and sliding bar widget 2 appear, so we can put some widgets over here. So just for simplicity, and let's see if we can like have some, like maybe we can put the recent posts over there, maybe we can put products over there, like whatever you guys are working with. So we'll go with a gallery. I like the gallery, so we'll go with a gallery in the sliding bar widget 1. And we'll just say what's up and add images. So here we'll add a bunch of few images, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll just create a new gallery like that, and then we can just say insert gallery, and that is our gallery. So not ideal because the images are not the same size, but you get the idea on where I'm going with this. So I'll just update the gallery, and I guess okay, so we'll just save it. And for the sliding bar 2 widget, we'll just put some widget like Avada social links, we can put that. And then I'm looking for the recent posts option. So there is a recent post widget that I could use. Recent post is right there, so we will just go ahead and do that. And okay, title would be and Avada social. We have some links there, I guess. So we'll just put some stuff in the Facebook link, like this is meant to be your Facebook page link. We'll just put something for Instagram. We'll just put something for LinkedIn. Um, and I think that should be it. We'll put something for Twitter. Okay, so that is what we can do, and save it. And basically you can put any text styles in it. So if you want a nice menu or something like that, maybe you can just copy and paste something from the footer widget right there. So that's what I was looking at. So okay, so we'll just put a text widget, and we'll just have some information like that. So text widget, where is text widget? Okay, text widget is a very versatile widget, so you can actually use that and put anything that you want. So okay, so that's that. We can put the search option there if you'd like. So okay, now our stuff is done. So we'll just go ahead and open the site in a new tab. And what we see now is a plus icon that is floating from the right hand side. And if we scroll, it's a fixed position, so that remains there. You can also even put a contact form in there, so that's another option that you can do. And you can simply see that just by doing a few options, I can have a nice display that displays a bunch of stuff from my website. So that's all pretty cool, and that is what the sidebar, the sliding bar means in Avada, and that is how you use it. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to post in the question section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.